Hey, what's going on, guys? Figured I'd shoot a real quick video. I haven't done an unboxing for a while. I had a company I've been talking to for probably about a month now. Actually, it's probably been longer than that. As you can see on the side of me, the man cave, Hugo, has some new products that he made. He wanted me to test out and review for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and unbox those right now. I'm really excited because the last time I reviewed his stuff, his stuff smells really good. And actually, I think I still got some stuff up on the shelf. It smells really good. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing. I kind of like doing these unboxings because it's, I get kind of like a reaction, obviously. Really cool. And obviously my new setup, all the information on the side of me. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you like this setup better, because I used to sit right here and shoot my videos. I'm sorry, over here and shoot my videos. Just trying something new. I got a couple green screens I might try out here and there. I got right above me, I got like a string that goes across, and I'm going to droop a green screen behind me. I've even thought about making a couple of like a flame backdrop or something, since being in the fire service. But anyway, got her popped open, nicely packed. You can see that. It says, "Thanks, Patrick. Sincerely, Hugo, Man Cave." And he always does a good job of packing this stuff in. So let's go ahead and get this stuff out. Right off the bat, a button. Awesome. Yeah, that's I got another camera over here for close-ups, because obviously, actually, you know what? Let me set that up really fast. Sorry, guys, kind of not set up for this right now. Let me go ahead and add that in right now so you guys can see close-ups. It should be popping up right there. Let's see. Cool is that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right above my little head. Make it a little bit bigger, I guess. And with the power of the keyboard, I can hold that little thing in there and do that. Make it a little bit bigger. How's that? Was that awesome? Talk about editing during the unboxing. Heck yeah. But anyway, there you go. Actually, I forgot one thing. Turn on that light. Got a nice little pin. Let's see what else. Got a couple pins in here. Appreciate that, Hugo. Let's see. There's some business cards. You guys can see. Apologize about the reflection. Man cave. Let's see. Ooh, got some cool stickers. Ooh, these are really cool. Wow, let me turn this down a little bit, guys. I apologize. This is kind of the spur of the moment thing. I'm gonna make sure you guys could see those. Check that out. How cool is that? Really nice. And everybody likes stickers. Be awesome. What's this one? The Man Cave Soaps, American Sasquatch. That's really cool. Kind of at that iridescent type. Really neat. All right, let's see. First thing I want to pull out is a soap. And the soap is Toxic. I remember seeing this on his Instagram. This is really cool looking. It almost looks too cool to use. I know we've all gotten products like that, but check out the colors on that thing. How cool is that? Look at that. Really freaking cool. I like the name. I like the name Toxic. Set that down right there. Looks like we got a couple balms. These balms, yeah, a couple beard balms. And we have the Gothic in the balm. Really cool. There we go, focus. I really like the design. It's really nice. The next one is Vintage Evolution. That's really cool too. I like that. That out. I'm not gonna open it just yet. I'm gonna wait till, you know, I do the review, obviously. Let's see. We got some, I'm assuming, a couple of oils of the same scents. Pretty cool. I apologize if that's pretty loud, guys. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. And then he's got these bubble wrapped. This one is bubble wrapped, and this one's got the sealer on top. That's awesome. And of course the Gothic beard oil. Come on, focus. Yeah, I gotta see. I gotta get this set up. There we go. That's really cool. I really like the artwork. And of course, Vintage Evolution. That out. How cool is that? And looks like I need some kind of dampener because that light that you see the reflection of, it's like right behind it, and that's what's causing the real bad glare. But I believe that is it. Actually, I'm back real quick. I was thinking about this, about doing a scent test. I'm gonna smell the soap. That, holy, I like it. I'll just say that. I like it. It smells good. The Gothic Balm. Let me get a little scent of that. Oh, wow. That smells really nice. Holy. Hugo, man, that smells really good. You know what? I'm just going to show you guys the consistency of it. I won't put my fingers in it or nothing. That's what she said. But you see it's a nice nutty type color. Man, that smells freaking awesome. I got this today, but as you can hear, it's a harder type balm, and the Vintage Evolution. You get a little whiff of that. Oh wow. This. I'm not even gonna say anything. Wow. That smells really good too. Hugo, awesome job, my brother. Man, that smells good. I can't wait to get this stuff in beer. Duh. Oh, it's got that harder type balm, which is fine with me. I'm gonna start putting this in the beard, guys. Again, sorry, I'm still trying to get used to this new shooting, as you would say, or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know how you like it. I like it because of the simple fact is you can put stuff in the background. I got, you know, whatever the occasion is. Christmas, I got a Christmas tree in the background. I got his information right on the side, who he is, his name, and I got this camera to do the product close-ups. I apologize if I'm not looking right at you. I'm making sure everything's in the box. But anyway, guys, sorry about that. I'll quit rambling. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Maybe I might put out a couple more videos. But I'm gonna test these out for a couple of weeks, and I will get back to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy the new setup. I'm hoping. I have a Blue Yeti mic. Obviously, you can see in that camera. I'm hoping. It was giving me problems a couple weeks ago. It kept cutting out because the top part of it is really loose. It's time to upgrade. Yes, I know. But you know, I do my reviews for free for the most part. You know what? I enjoy every minute of it. I appreciate all support from you guys. Follow him. Here's his Instagram name right there. Go ahead and give him a follow if you're not following him. I'll leave all his information in the description box below. Guys, until the next review, I'll see you on the other side. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Also, I almost forgot to put that in there. I keep forgetting this is almost Christmas. Oh, man. Anyway, peace out, guys.